What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to talk about the broader crypto market. We have to break down what the market is doing right now, where different positions are, and also Biden's executive order. We have some news on that, just very little bit of news. We're supposed to be signing that this week, so we'll get into that, in whatever detail we do have. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K on Twitter, it does help out the channel and, helps out my brand as well. So if you guys want to follow me and get some updates, you can always do that. But anyways, we're here to talk about the crypto market because it's been very volatile, I would say, right? We can see things that, are moving in more of a negative manner one day, and then all of a sudden it's positive and then back to negative, and it goes right back to where it was. So it starts the week at, 1.8 trillion and then ends the week at 1.8 trillion. That's really what we're seeing is, ultimately everything is flat, while some day traders and swing traders are possibly making some decent money from it. So if we look at the market here, we're going to see that the market is currently down 0.69%. We're going to see that Bitcoin's dominance has decreased a slight bit, still at 42%, above 42%. You are seeing the price of Bitcoin right now is at $39,130, and it's up about 1% over the last 24 hours, which is definitely good. But the last 7 days, it's down 11%. So that's what we're seeing with a lot of positions. Ethereum, the same way. It's up 3% today in the last 24 hours, but it is down about 11% overall. You can see here that BNB is down about 5.5%, but then up about 1% on the day. XRP is up 0.5% and down about 5 or 6% on the day. You could see Terra, Luna is actually up about 12% today, but then down about 2 or 3% over the last 7 days. But then if we look at Cardano is down 15% the last 7 days, and it's up 1% today. So seeing a little bit of a pushback, that's good. Same thing with Solana. Solana's down quite a bit. Avalanche is down quite a bit. It seems like a lot of these bigger positions that are up at the top in the top 10 are really falling down, pretty heavy. You are seeing Polkadot is down 7 or 8%, 7.5% basically. Dogecoin is down 11% over the last 7 days. It's slightly up today. Shiba Inu is down 12% over the last 7 days, slightly up today as well. So you're not really seeing a ton of positive movement in the top 25, right? You could see a lot of negativity over the last 7 days. However, the day is looking, I wouldn't say solid. It's looking flat, right? We're recovering what did happen in the last couple of days where things did fall, over the weekend where things did fall. It makes sense why we're seeing this, drop the way that it is. So obviously I have my eyes set on different positions that I can buy right now. As you start to see things that are coming up a little bit, it creates a little bit of buying strength, a little bit of buying opportunity. And just to be able to get into some of those, I'm really excited. But typically, a lot of these tokens up at the top, I'm not buying a lot of them. I do want to hold some of them, but I've been buying a lot of, I would say less. It's not really speculative, but you're looking at a lot of the positions that are lower market cap that have some potential to run, in the future, in the near future at that. Whether I'm looking at Farmcoin or Krill or Gitcoin or OMG network, all of those, have a smaller market cap, and we're looking at a larger potential for an increase. So that's why I'm investing in some of those. So now let's get into Biden's executive order, because this is like the talk of the town. When we understand that Biden has an executive order, a lot of people are getting afraid, that it will be something that regulates crypto as a whole, and that's not the case, right? It's not something that's just regulating crypto as a whole. I mean, I hope so. I hope they don't basically take bits and pieces from all of this and do something there, but I don't think Biden truly understands crypto. No offense to Biden, but he's older, right? I don't think he truly understands crypto, and I don't think he wants to understand crypto. He doesn't need to understand crypto. But you do have a lot of people maybe around him that understand the digital world of things and how to regulate it in a way, but I don't think you can regulate it fully. It's the only thing that you're really looking at here, and the real issue behind this whole executive order is around the Russia situation, right? So let's get into some of the information here. So President Biden is reportedly set to sign an executive order on cryptocurrency this week. The order is likely to be signed Wednesday, so tomorrow. That's good and bad news, because anytime you do see any type of government-led document towards the markets, towards crypto market, stock market, anything in general, it's not really going our way. So that's obviously not a good point. But the main focus around it is not us regular people investing into cryptocurrency. However, anything could transition to us, because it seems like everything that the government does, it transitions to us. I don't want to sit here and get into a ton of political discussions, but that's how it seems. So the order comes from concerns over whether Russia could use cryptocurrency to get around crushing U.S. sanctions issued in response to the invasion of Ukraine. And that's exactly what I just said. They're looking to, Russia's looking to get around it, or at least we think, right, that Russia's looking to get around it. And we have heard that money is being moved into Bitcoin and being moved into different cryptocurrencies, because the value of the ruble is not as much as it once was. So it's definitely something where we're not looking at anything that comes at us. However, anything could transition to us in any way. But this is really just to get a hold on things, and just to get an understanding on what's going on over there, right? Is there something where they are looking to get out of these sanctions, right? And another point is that the Justice Department is looking into whether they're going to need a new law to create a new currency. So that's something they're obviously looking into as well. The order will ask the State Department to make sure that American cryptocurrency laws align with those U.S. allies. It will also reportedly task the Financial Stability Oversight Council, which identifies risk to the country's financial stability, to investigate any financial concerns. So obviously, this is not like driven towards us, regular people. However, it does look into some information that can probably tie back to it, right? It's more or less on oversight over, U.S. allies, and understanding how maybe other countries would use cryptocurrency to essentially get out of sanctions. So it's nothing to be concerned about, nothing where they're like, hey, we're banning crypto. That's obviously not a situation right now, but you never know. Anything could happen. So that's what I had for you guys today. I just wanted to do an update on the market and, break down what's going on here. There's not much. Once we do get into a lot of the detail of the exact executive order, we can definitely do that, and we'll have all the details there, but it probably won't be anything that we need to worry about. But it doesn't matter. I'm pretty sure the markets are going to overreact, because that's how the markets roll. Anytime somebody talks about stocks or crypto or investing in general, everything goes downhill. I can't wait for it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K on Twitter, definitely go over there and follow me. Also, follow my Let It Burn channel. We're streaming a 24-hour live stream, 24/7 live stream. And we're just looking to gather some members and burn off some Shiba Inu. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one.